Welcome back, cooks. This is going to be our sifted flour prep video. For video purposes, we'll use a tall, clear pitcher so you can see the flour being sifted through the strainer. Normally, we would use a bigger bowl just so you don't make a mess. We'll start off with our unbleached all-purpose flour. We'll go ahead and pour a cup or two in at a time. The goal here is to slowly shake the sifter, no matter which version you have, and you want to get all that flour sifted through to pull out any discrepancies. Yes, sometimes you can buy a new bag of flour, and there are things such as mealworms or other contaminants in it. You'll want to make sure you sift those out before cooking. We'll just slowly go back and forth here with our hands, a little bit at a time. Till we're all done. And we don't want that little bit in there. We'll put that to the side. There's our clean sifted flour. We'll go ahead and put this in our storage container. And normally you'll fill this up and then put on your airtight lid. Sorry we made a mess. Usually we'll use a bigger bowl, but we'll clean that up later.
And that's how you sift flour, folks.